Imagine a world where cancer is detected before symptoms appear, where lab-grown meat tastes exactly like steak but comes without killing an animal, where crops can grow in deserts and gene editing can eliminate inherited diseases forever. This isn't science fiction. This is biotechnology, and it's already reshaping everything we thought we knew about medicine, food, and the very fabric of life itself. From CRISPR to bioengineered organs, biotechnology is the most powerful, and sometimes controversial, force in modern science. It's changing how we treat disease, how we feed billions, and even how we interact with our own DNA. In this video, we're diving deep into the future. You'll learn how biotechnology works, the jaw-dropping ways it's already transforming the world, and where it's heading next. No hype, no fluff, just facts, future, and a whole lot of fascinating science. What is biotechnology, really? Biotechnology isn't a new idea. Humans have been using biological systems to solve problems for thousands of years. Think of fermentation, turning grains into beer or milk into cheese. That's biotechnology in its simplest form, using living organisms to produce something useful. But modern biotechnology, that's a whole different level. Today, we're talking about using cells, DNA, and even molecular machines to build everything from vaccines and medicines to biofuels, smart agriculture, and synthetic organs. It blends biology with technology, and the results are unlike anything humanity has ever seen before. It's not just about science, it's about engineering life itself. Biotechnology in medicine, healing from the inside out. Let's start where biotech is making the biggest impact: medicine. We're no longer just treating symptoms. We're designing cures at the molecular level. Take gene therapy, for example. By editing a patient's DNA, scientists are now curing rare genetic disorders that were once considered untreatable. Diseases like spinal muscular atrophy, sickle cell anemia, and even certain forms of blindness are being tackled, not with surgery or drugs, but with corrected DNA. Then there's personalized medicine. Instead of giving every patient the same pill and hoping it works, biotech allows us to analyze a person's genetic code and tailor treatments to match. Cancer treatment is a prime example. With biotech tools, doctors can now identify the exact mutation causing a tumor and create a therapy that targets just that mutation, minimizing side effects and maximizing effectiveness. The future, even more ambitious. Scientists are developing lab-grown organs, nanobots that deliver medicine directly to cancer cells, and AI-powered diagnostics that spot diseases before you ever feel sick. Biotechnology in agriculture, feeding the future. Now let's move from the clinic to the farm. The global population is projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050. Feeding all those people using traditional farming methods simply won't cut it. That's where agricultural biotechnology comes in. Genetically modified crops are just the beginning. Today's biotech-enhanced crops are drought-resistant, pest-resistant, and even nutrient-enhanced. For example, golden rice is genetically engineered to produce more vitamin A, helping fight malnutrition in parts of the world where it's still a major problem. But the future goes beyond GMOs. Using CRISPR gene editing, scientists can now precisely tweak plant genomes without introducing foreign DNA. This allows us to improve yield, taste, and resilience with pinpoint accuracy, and often without the controversy that surrounds older GM techniques. Then there's vertical farming and hydroponics, powered by biotech monitoring systems. These techniques grow food in climate-controlled indoor environments, often in cities, using far less water and land than traditional farming. Biotechnology is also giving rise to lab-grown meat, also called cultured meat. By growing animal cells in bioreactors, we can create real meat without slaughtering animals or using antibiotics. This isn't just about animal welfare. It's about sustainability, food security, and reducing the massive environmental cost of traditional meat production. Industrial and environmental biotechnology, cleaning up our mess. Biotechnology isn't just helping us heal and feed. It's also helping us clean up. Environmental biotechnology focuses on using living organisms to solve ecological problems, like pollution, waste, and climate change. One major example is bioremediation, where bacteria are used to clean up oil spills, toxic waste, or heavy metals from soil and water. In industrial settings, biotech enables cleaner manufacturing. Enzymes can now replace harsh chemicals in everything from laundry detergents to paper production, reducing pollution and saving energy. And when it comes to energy, biotech is also giving us biofuels, fuels made from algae or crop waste that can replace fossil fuels. While not perfect, they represent a huge step toward cleaner energy alternatives. Even in construction, companies are now using engineered bacteria to create self-healing concrete. When cracks form, the bacteria react with moisture to fill them in, extending the life of infrastructure and reducing repair costs. Biotech, in short, is becoming the ultimate problem solver. The ethics and risks of biotech, playing God. With great power comes great responsibility. As incredible as biotech is, it also comes with big ethical questions. Should we edit human embryos to remove diseases or to enhance intelligence? Where's the line between curing and designing? CRISPR has made gene editing cheap, fast, and accessible. But it also opens the door to designer babies, genetic inequality, or even unintended consequences in future generations. What seems like a small edit today could ripple through the human genome in unpredictable ways. There are also concerns about privacy. With more medical treatments based on our genetic data, who owns that data? Can insurance companies or employers use it against you? In agriculture, some worry about the corporatization of biotech, with large companies patenting seeds and controlling food supply chains. Others fear unintended ecological consequences if genetically modified organisms cross into wild populations. These aren't reasons to stop progress, but they are reasons to proceed carefully, transparently, and ethically. The future of biotech needs scientists, but it also needs philosophers, regulators, and citizens to guide it wisely. Conclusion: the biotech future is ours to shape. Biotechnology isn't just changing the world, it's rebuilding it from the cellular level up. From curing diseases and growing organs to feeding billions and cleaning the planet, biotech touches every part of our lives. The possibilities are breathtaking, but so are the responsibilities. The future of biotech won't be shaped in secret labs. It'll be shaped in public conversations, thoughtful regulation, and everyday choices about how we want to live, eat, heal, and evolve. You don't need a PhD to be part of that conversation. You just need to stay informed, stay curious, and stay involved. Autaro, be part of the biotech revolution. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible world of biotechnology, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new deep dive into the future of science and tech. Got thoughts about where biotech is heading? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. Are we ready for a world where DNA is programmable and meat comes from a lab? This is more than a trend. It's a transformation, and it's happening right now. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we build.